Question 1. Which of the following is the non-cellular cell? The correct answer is option D. Virus is the non-cellular cell. Question 2. Which of the following is not properties of prokaryotic cell? The correct answer is option D. They have cell nucleus and membrane bound structure is not property of prokaryotic cell. While prokaryotic organisms are commonly called bacteria, they have cell wall and they have circular ring of DNA is called plasmid, which are the property of prokaryotic cell. Question 3. What is the role of cytoplasm? The correct answer is option B. They catalyze the chemical reaction of metabolism. Question 4. Which structure is used for the locomotion in prokaryotic cell? The correct answer is option C. Flagella is used for the locomotion in prokaryotic cell. Question 5. What is the role of mesosome? The correct answer is option B. Cellular respiration. Question 6. What is the role of plasmid? The correct answer is option A. Used as a vector in genetic engineering. Question 7. Prokaryotic cell wall made up of. The correct answer is option B. Murin. Prokaryotic cell wall made up of murin. Question 8. Which of the following is not a process of gene transfer in prokaryotic cell? The correct answer is option D. Mitosis is not a process of gene transfer in prokaryotic cell, while transduction, transformation and conjugation are the process of gene transfer in prokaryotic cell. Question 9. A bacteria have additional layer outside the cell wall is known as. The correct answer is option B. Glycolytes. Question 10. Which of the following sentences are true about capsule? The correct answer is option D. All of above. Adhesive power of capsule is the initiation of some bacterial disease. Protect bacteria from being phagocytosis and capsule can adhere to solid surface. Question 11. Which of the following is not a type of cocci? The correct answer is bacilli is a not type of cocci, while Yersinia, diplococci, staphylococci are the type of cocci. Question 12. Full form of PPLO. The correct answer is option A. Pleuropneumonia-like organism. 13. The shape of bacterial plasmid is. The correct answer is option B. Circular. Bacterial plasmid is circular shape. 40. Plasmid are made up of. The correct answer is option C. Nucleic acid. Plasmid are made up of nucleic acid. 50. Mesosome is derived from. The correct answer is option A. Cell membrane. Question 16. What are the subunit of prokaryotic ribosome? The correct answer is option D. 50S and 30S are the subunit of prokaryotic ribosome. 17. Which cell organelle is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? The correct answer is option C. Ribosome is the present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Question 80. The cell wall of eubacteria made up of. The correct answer is option A. Peptidoglycan. 19. Which of the following are the characteristics of prokaryotic cell? The correct answer is option D. All of above. Prokaryotic cell contains 70S ribosome, lack of nucleus and absence of organelles. 20. Prokaryotic have. The correct answer is option B. Circular DNA. 21. Which of the following is the responsible for the beginning of life of organism? The correct answer is Option C. Zygote is responsible for the beginning of the life of organism. 22. The cell wall of algae is made up of. The correct answer is option C. Mannose. 23. The organism which lack mitosis division and use binary fission method for cell division is known as. The correct answer is option D. Prokaryote. 24. Plasma membrane is a. The correct answer is option B. Selectively permeable. 25. Plastide present in. The correct answer is option D. All. Plastide present in plant, algae and protists. 26. Eukaryotic concept was given by. The correct answer is option B. Edward Chatton. 27. Endosymbiotic means. The correct answer is option A. Organism that lives within the cell of another organism. 28. Which type of cell is considered to be largest and most complex type of cell? The correct answer is option B. Eukaryotic cell is considered to be largest and most complex type of cell. 29. Which type of cell is always single cell organism? The correct answer is option A. Prokaryotic cell is always single cell organism. 30. Which type of cell has a nucleus? The correct answer is option B. Eukaryotic has a nucleus. Cell